Hey everyone, this is Odin119 back again for another episode on how to program in Java. Today we're going to talk about data types such as strings, numbers, floats, doubles, and so on. So let's get started by setting up a regular hello program. So as you remember from last time, we start with a public class called main. Let me make some brackets. You guys should already know what this means. If you don't, then go back to my other videos on our program structure. So from now on, I'll be doing this off camera. I'm just doing this one time, so you guys know. And we're pretty much almost finished with it. Alright, so first type we want to learn about is a string. So we've been using strings. Strings are just text and quotes. They can also be numbers and quotes. So hello is a string, so we can go ahead and print it. And what displays is the text hello. That's strange. What happened? Alright. I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, so you have the string hello, just text. That's all you need to know, really. Then we can also do numbers. So, for example, numbers don't need quotes. They just like that. So we can print number 10 after hello. And we can also do, let's say, 20. And we have hello 1020. Now, the sad thing about numbers is that there's a limit. The exact limit is 214748367. You can find that online. It's a really long number. But what happens when you hit that limit, you can go over it. So let's make another print line. And so let's make a big one. Let's do like this long number. So this is actually inaccurate. And why? It's an invalid literal, which means that it's not legal data type. So what you have to do is put a capital L. And then it goes parentheses like that. So this is called a long number. Just know that it's for numbers above that limit that I told you. Again, 214748367. Now, so 10 and 20, and I guess this other number, they were considered integers. 10 and 20 actually have the data value of integers. However, this right here is a long number. Now, what if you want to do decimals? Well, there's two ways. First, you can just flat out type decimal like this. However, when declaring variables, you're going to want to call it a double. So this is a double. It's for just any decimal places. And that's 3.1415. Now, the other way to do it is by doing a float. Now, you might commonly know floating as making decimal places. For example, we can do 3.1415. Why is that bracket there? And then you want to put another capital F, just like the long integer. Now this is for accuracy, like if you have a really long decimal place and you want to round it out to like the 6th integer, I think that's where it goes. So let's go and do it. At something like 3.1415, it'll be pretty short. So it won't actually round, but for longer numbers it will round. We'll go into more detail about that later. Now the final data type that we're going to learn is the Boolean types. Now Booleans are for telling something's true or false, and the types are literally true and false. So you won't have to put in quotes. It's a data type itself, and it prints true right here, as you can see. Now again, with the true, there's also a false, like this. So, yeah, these are the basic data types. We haven't gone into much detail, we've just printed them. However, there's a lot of stuff we're going to be doing with the next lesson. Next lesson, we're going to be going over operands, such as plus, minus, multiplying, dividing. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.